My menfolk absolutely love old vehicles. My son drives a 25-year-old truck that he's always tinkering on, and he just bought a 30-year-old one to rebuild. My grandson drives a Subaru that's older than he is. Everyone refers to it as his girlfriend because of all the time and money he spends on it. Having a carburetor is a matter of pride. As is fairly normal when buying a used car, there were some nitpicky things wrong with it. We had to replace the air filter. The poor thing was practically gasping for air. You could see no light through it at all. And one of the headlights doesn't work. Lots of salvage yards in our area. Some of them even advertise their foreign used auto part inventory. My guys particularly like the ones where they can go and pull the parts themselves. So, when our headlight went out, my son invited his dad out on a little male bonding shopping spree at one of his favorite junkyards. They have a search feature on their website that allows you to go and look at their inventory and see if they have what you need. And there's what we need. They even give us the location. They also have a feature that allows you to see what a part is going to cost. There's a search feature here too. Some HID, I think it's HID modular controls, bulbs, various clips, etc. Some cable. I think he paid, $44.05 for these things. You go and you pull them yourself. We'll see if this is what the problem was. Well, those parts weren't the problem. It still doesn't work. One lead is live, so now it's off to find a schematic and maybe some more junkyard parts.